When you click on your navigation bar, you click on that is the after user file on the left, and you will see the hamburger stack, the checkers. Click on that. You're gonna see virtual labs. In this class, you only use SQL to submit your lab. So you click on connecting to database. It's the first lab you have to do. I do on Sunday. Click on that. And when this shows up, pay attention to what I want you to do. You learn to use a screenshot, right? So to use a screenshot in this class, all you do is snip it. To snip it, I use the shift and the window button and the S. And then my screen change to black and I highlight what I want. Take that out. I will prefer you use a PowerPoint for this class. So I have to go to my PowerPoint and I open that up and do the new screen. And I will add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, add more slides. And then just call this lab 1. CIST 1210 lab 1. I would prefer you have what they call table of content for this lab, but I'm going to show you that right quick. I want you to see how you do a screenshot for instructions. It's called instructions. This is the reason I want you to learn so that you have a job interview. You open your PowerPoint, you don't say, I don't have experience. You say, all right, let me show you all my work I've been doing in Oracle. You open your PowerPoint, you show them that, hey, I know how to log on to Windows. So the first thing is from your desktop, this one says, if you see, it said, in this lab, you will learn to connect to database, organized, generally stored in electronically. All right. So the next thing we do now is to go and go to syllabus and get your table of content, because it's good to know what are you about to submit to me. You go to syllabus and find lab 1 and lab 2. Well, lab 1 is what you do right now. Go to the beginning of labs. You will see when I say lab 1 on week 1 right here. Here comes the table of content. Copy all this, all lab 1. I will do the first one for you and you do the rest by yourself. Okay. Here is the table of content. You paste here and call lab 1 content. Lab 1. You have lab 1 content. All right. What does that mean? Lab 1 has connecting to database. I have saving an SQL buffer. It has clearing the buffer. But for this example, I will do the first one. Now, copy this and go to the next screen and paste it. It says connecting to database. I want you to tell me, what does that mean, connecting to database? The definition of that is I want you to Google it. So you go to Google and go to Google and hit the plus sign and make it bigger and say Control V to paste it. What is Oracle connecting to database? All right, it says you can connect to Oracle database only through a client program such as SQL Plus or SQL Developer. The other client uses SQL Developer, but this one uses SQL Plus. What is database connection in Oracle? You can look at that as well, and you can copy this, and that will help you understand the topic for the lab. If you just delve into it, you don't even know what it is you're about to do, you will not remember any of this stuff. You can connect to Oracle database only through a client program such as SQL Plus or SQL Developer. For this class, we are going to use SQL Plus. When connected to a database, you can view schema objects, You can view the properties of the data of Oracle table. You can use queries to retrieve data from Oracle database. You need to understand the layout before you delve into it. That is the purpose of that. You can move your instruction down. Okay, that's the first thing I would like for you to do in the lab. Okay, now let's go back to the real lab. Okay, if I click on the real lab here on SQL Plus, at the bottom of your screen you see Oracle. Click on the Oracle. You see where it says on connects, that you push a power button on the computer server. If you click on that, it takes you to the server 2012. That is the server online or the cloud. And then when you are connected to the server, you're looking for SQL Plus. This is the only one I would like for you to use. So do a screenshot that I know you're using that. So this class is a lot more detailed in the way you submit your work. That's why I want you to watch me carefully. Okay. So over here, you click on SQL Plus. SQL Plus. They have a style plus. I want you to be aware of that as well. Okay. Now the next thing you do, double click it. It opens up. I want you to do that screenshot of the simple one inside. Okay, so that you know how to get to SQL Plus. That's the main thing. The next thing is on the instructions, it says the password is capital PASSW 0RD. Username is UCDBA. UC means you certified. DBA means DBA. So that. Welcome into one. We are doing the lab now. All right. So you go ahead and type UCDBA. Press enter. It asks for a password. You type capital PASSW 0RD. You press enter. Now you are connected. Then you want to keep that. So you can show to your interviewer that you know how to use Oracle. Everybody wants to use PowerPoint. That's why I'm doing this and recording for everyone to see what I've all done. Into Oracle. All right. Once you are in, that's it. I think you're done. That's what they mean by connecting. If you want to test, click connect to database with a UCA database and click OK. But now you are connected. This is how you connect to a database. You're done with the first class. So make it simple and stop right there. If you want to find out what's in there, you can just use the word select. Select star from select star from v $sign instance, and instant is the name of the database running right now. v $sign instance. Select style from v $sign. Try that again. Okay. Select star from v $sign instance. As far as you, I don't know why that's coming up, but I will check it later. But for you to know how to connect to a database, your job is done. So let me see if you can have that. You do a screenshot of that right quick. Let me do that right quick. Yeah, the one I want to see is the prompt. Okay, you are connected. All right, now you paste that on here. Oh yeah, I already did that. UCDBA and a password. Yes, you did. When you done this call, connecting to database. Connecting to Oracle database. For this class, this is what I want you to connect to do your work. You see in the middle I say SQL Plus. Now, if you go back to instructions, the first one say use number one. Instead of that, number one was this one here. Number one, this is number one. This is step one. Step one is for SQL Plus. The next one is step two. Instead of clicking new, this is step two. The next one is step what? Step two, step three. Here is step three. All right, so far so good. I would like for you to use that as an example so that you can do the rest of it. I have done the first one, so next you need to do number two. Go back to your table of content. I have done this one. Copy that. Make sure you keep what I'm doing. Copy that and put that here. This is the first one. First one is done. Now I want you to take your time and do this one later. Put that at the top and give me a screenshot of that one. When you're done with that one, with the next one, which is number 3, copy that one and put a number 3 section. All right, I'm going to go ahead and exit out. Save that and send it to me on Microsoft Word. Want to be right here. Okay. You have to save it. Make sure you have a folder. Have a folder for all your courses for summer 2024, and CIST 1210, and then have a folder called labs. Put all your labs in one place so in case there's an issue. And this is lab 1. Lab 1. Okay, got lab 1. Now you go to Blackboard and upload it. Let's see what his Blackboard look like. You go to Blackboard and go to my assignment. And you scroll down to one that says labs 30%. You go to lab 1 right here. Click on lab 1. Yeah, what if I'm doing here? I already recorded here, so you can see. Yes, you click on lab 1 and you hit submit. Where's lab 1 right here? Lab 1, click it and go to where it says upload. Find the file you put in, and 1210 on the labs. See lab 1 right there, and you hit submit. So far so good. That is how you submit the work and you get a grade for it.